So Damon here is gonna help me build a desk for my little workspace. And we kind of know what dimensions we want to get, but we're gonna look at the materials, we're gonna look at different woods we can get for the desk, stuff like that.
Well, the idea is that we're trying to make this affordable and quick. And I want to use the old desk's legs, so we're going to cut the tabletop off of that. And then I would like to get like maybe a blank door where it's just wood, it's got no holes in it, nothing. It's just an old door. Just a door ready to be installed and cut at Home Depot for like 20 bucks. And use that as a tabletop. And if we need to reinforce it, we can reinforce it, but that's easier and better than bracing it with a couple of 2x6s and whatnot.
Yeah, so we're going for like affordable budget, but functional at the same time.
Yeah.
As a sidebar, I really want one of these lights for my place. Looks so good. Exactly as your idea.
Ow, wowie. So see, this will be the tabletop. Feel how hollow that is. The idea is that if you don't plan on smacking things on your table, you should be fine. And if you do punch a hole through it, we can put a piece of veneer over it and make it even more certain.
So you're saying use this door as my desk?
Yeah, because look how cheap that is.
Why don't we get a tape measure?
I'd love to get that one, if you're down for it.
Hey, what about this one up here? I just want to see if it's hollow or not. There you go.
It's actually the same thing. Eight feet. You only need 5 feet out of it. So that gives you 3 feet extra. You need 2 of these to make it deep enough. That means that you'll end up having 6 feet extra. And then you can put it together that way.
If we get this and 2 2x4s, you can like connect them and stuff.
Yes. You have your desk, your bottom part, and then you put your second tier on this as a support. So you have this much space, about 3.5 inches between the top and the bottom.
All we need to make the desk is one of these.
40 bucks plus say $6.
Now the challenge is, how am I gonna get these pieces into that small car? Oh my gosh.
Now this is pod racing.
See how I'm gonna fit in here?
Just hold the door shut.
There we go. Now, the trick is we cannot get in a car accident because this will decapitate me. We're gonna make a quick pit stop in here, and we're gonna get back to building.